Anyway, a warm good evening, everyone. This is Lieutenant Commander Ashwant P, retired from Navy. This session will be in English, so please pardon me. Basically, this session I have been taking for these people who have joined from outside Kerala. There are a lot of people who have joined from outside our state. So they were asking me, how can we build this business? So this part is for those who have joined and would like to know how I can build this business. So I will not talk in Malayalam in this webinar. Please pardon me. For those who think this session will be in Malayalam, I'm sorry. Anyway, I'll try to talk as clear as possible so that you all can understand this. Okay. Like everybody knows, any part, any job or any business, it's very much important that how to do. Now you all have joined because you have understood why should I do this business. That answer is very clear. Me or you, why did you start this business? You have the answer for that. Now it's very important to know how can I build this business successfully. Correct? I know. So let us move on and see how one can go ahead and do this business. There are 4 reasons why everybody has started Evo Global's business opportunity. Correct? There are 4 reasons. One may be compulsory, that you might have been joined because of somebody's compulsion. आप लोग शायद इसमें ज्वाइन किया होगा किसी के कंपल्शन के साथ, किसी ने आपको कंपल किया होगा, come you join this business, correct? And you would have joined into it. 25% of people would have joined like this based on somebody's compulsion, correct? Another 25% of people would have joined emotionally. Now I'll just explain what is this. Like some or the other day you would have done some favor for someone, and for today he would have asked this favor back. So emotionally you would have joined into this business. 25% of people fall in this category emotionally. Now another 25% comes and join like an obligatory. Like for example, if I am a police officer and if I would have told my subordinate that this business opportunity is my wife's business, so he would have obliged to sign wherever you have told. So this category is almost 25%. Now you can see this first 3 category: compulsion or emotional or obligation. 75% of people join this business based on these 3 reasons. Am I right or wrong? But there is another 25% of people who basically understand this business thoroughly. They would have understood ये business क्या है, इनके बारे में बहुत deep में जानकारी लिया होगा, और they would have started this business. These people would excel in this business, or you can say successful people are those in this business, those who have actually understood what this business opportunity is. So you can ask yourself today, you have joined this business amongst these 4 categories, which category do you fall? If you have fallen in the 4th category, then you are on the right track. I'm sure you will excel some or the other day in this business. Now, no matter amongst these 4, you have started this business, correct? Now, without understanding, you will never become serious in this business. So, this is the right time to understand your business. Whether you are in a first category, second category, third category, or 4th category. Anyway, you have joined, correct? Why did you join? Because you want to make an additional income. Am I right or wrong? So, at least from today onwards, be serious in your business. Now, I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to share with you how you can do a successful business in our platform of direct selling industry, what Thames Bay Evo is giving us. Okay. Now, you all know you join this industry as in a direct selling industry, there is no investment and you don't have to take a share. But in our platform, To earn income, you have to choose any of the income categories. You all know. So you might have chosen Evo 200 plan or any of the plan which Evo is given. Okay. So you started. Now you have to move ahead, right? You have taken the plan of Evo 200. Now, how can I move ahead in this business? That is what I think three participants raise their hands. We will keep all the question answer sessions towards the end. ओके अगर आपको कोई डाउट है, आपका जो भी क्वेश्चंस है, आप मैं लास्ट में आंसर कर लूंगा, तो तब तक आप वेट कर दीजिए. ओके, जस्ट लिसन टू व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग. यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट्स, डोंट वरी. व्हाट अभी आपको क्या चाहिए, व्हाट यू शुड डू इज लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली. जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ पे आप बहुत ध्यान से सुन लेना, ठीक है. नाउ आप लोग आगे इस बिजनेस में, देयर आर सम स्टेप्स दैट यू शुड फॉलो. जैसे हर जगह पे ट्रेनिंग होता है, जैसे आप डिफेंस में आते समय आपको डिफेंस का ट्रेनिंग मिलता है. इफ यू जॉइन ए जॉब यू गेट्स 1 or 2 months ऑफ ट्रेनिंग, करेक्ट. विदाउट एनी ट्रेनिंग, विदाउट एनी प्रोबेशन, you never becomes permanent in that position, correct. So हर जगह पे ट्रेनिंग बहुत जरूरी है. यहाँ पे भी in this network marketing business, in this network marketing industry, it is very much important that you undergo the process, you undergo the system training. Like we have BBS, we conduct trainings in the auditorium, but today it is very difficult out of state. You cannot go to every state today to conduct this BBS or to conduct this training. That's why we are in this webinar. So यहाँ पे भी इस इंडस्ट्री में भी अगर आपको सक्सेसफुल होना है तो बहुत जरूरी है ये जो सिस्टम ट्रेनिंग अंडरगो करना. So please listen to these steps, 8 core steps to be successful in this industry. You can see I will explain all these steps in detail. The first and utmost important point is make a tool. Now, what is this tool? I will mention in the next slide. Make a list, how to approach, show the project, do a follow-up, finally closing. Commitment towards the partner who has joined and goal setting. So let us go one by one. Now, make a tool. Did you see example of the tool which I have done? I made a brochure of our Evo's plan, products, catalog. I always keep it in my vehicle. Whether it's your bike or car, you just keep it, your tool with you always. You will never come to know who will be your prospect. When you see a prospect, take your tool, explain the business plan, sitting with him. Okay, you should have the form, you should have your membership ID card with you. Okay, keep all the our Evo's photos, Evo's certificates, everything in your phone, so that when you show the plan, you can always show with the tool. So this tool is very much important. Ask yourself today, how many of you have these tools with you, readily available in your car or in your bike? If not, at least from tomorrow onwards, make a tool and keep it with you. From Nishad to everyone, please explain about Evo and business plan. Nishad, my dear friend, sorry, this is not a business plan. This is a distributor's orientation program. This is the second part. Evo plan, you would have understood. Your sponsor would have told you the plan. This part is the second part. How to do the business is what I am discussing today. So Nishad, please pardon me. Business plan will be explained to you by your applying after this presentation. This presentation is purely how to build a business. Okay. So I hope this slide is clear. Make a tool. So your tool is your brochure, what your plan is all about, your products catalog, all these things fall in your make tool, in your tool category. So if you are not having the tool, please make a tool and keep it ready in your bike or your car. Moving on, second and very important point is making a list, or you can say list building. This is something very much important. Like when you open your mobile, you go to your contact list, you might be having hundreds of your contacts, correct? Out of which most important is making a list. Have a diary separately for your Evo. Right, the first 10 pages should be your contact lists. Write all your contacts, but in a category wise. Make 3 lists: list A, list B, and list C. List A should be your very dear close friends whom you can approach very closely, whom you have one-to-one connection. That should be your list A. And every day before you start your day, you should be having at least 20 in number people's list that you are going to approach this day. Like for example, tomorrow if I am going for sharing Evo's plan, I should be knowing every day tomorrow to whom all should I approach. कल अगर मैं किसी से अप्रोच करने के लिए जा रहा हूँ, मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि कल मैं किससे बात करने जा रहा हूँ. सो मेरे पास मेरा लिस्ट रेडी होना चाहिए. So this is very much important. Okay. So I hope this is clear with you. So your list should be there in your diaries for 10 pages. Okay. And every day after approaching, you should, when you come back in the night, sit and write that I have approached so and so people. They have given me this remarks. For example, today, for example, I have approached a friend A. He said, okay, I'm ready to join. Or he might have said, after 3 days, I will join. So you write in the remarks column that friend A has said he will join after 3 days. Friend B would have told you, no, I'm not interested. So write against that in the remarks column, friend B is not interested. So this is how you should go ahead in the business. Make a list. So list building is very much important. Clear? Moving on. So now the list is ready. What you're supposed to do? Show the plan. You know your plan, correct? So in the plan, what you're supposed to, there are various variety or various category wise you can show the plan. First is home meeting. What you can do, you call your nearby contacts, your very close dear contacts for a home meeting to your house. Tell them that, I am calling you all today home for a business opportunity presentation at so and so time. So अपने घर पे आप बुला दीजिए आपके friends को और अपना home meeting you can, through the home meeting your upline can give the plan of our Evo. Now second is what? BOP, hall meeting. In a hall, in an auditorium, you can show the plan. Now, how you show the plan? Your upline will be showing a plan in the screen or on a board. That is called hall meeting. The third one is individual meeting, one-to-one. Take an appointment with your friend or your colleague. Conduct a one-to-one meeting. Now, what is individual meeting? Individual meeting is you are discussing this plan individually with that person. Now, before calling this person, your friend or your contact or whomsoever, what you should do is you should meet him when he is at free time, and it should be a place which is quiet. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज, अगर आप किसी के पास, अगर किसी का टाइम ले रहे हो, आप उसका अपॉइंटमेंट ले लिया, ये प्लान दिखाना है आपको, सो उसका टाइम फ्री होना चाहिए. एंड दूसरा, जगह जो आप जगह फिक्स कर रहे हैं वो जगह बहुत क्वाइट होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि बस स्टैंड पे खड़े होके प्लान दे रहे हो आप. यू शुड नॉट गिव प्लान स्टैंडिंग इन अ बस स्टैंड और इन अ रेलवे स्टेशन. दैट प्लेस शुड बी अ क्वाइट प्लेस, calm and quiet place. Okay, that's about the first point. Now you can take maximum 30 minutes for an individual meeting. Never take more than 30 minutes, because one person can sit maximum for 30 minutes. You are listening to the plan. If you take more than 30 minutes, his attention goes. So never take plan more than 30 minutes. Okay. Most important is, more than the plan, more than the product, more than the company, it is about your confidence and your excitement that makes the customer to start the business. If you are not confident in your voice, if you are not, your confidence can be seen in your eyes. When you're talking, that confidence comes in your eyes. So when you talk, your confidence should be coming from your eyes. He will be joining only on your confidence and your excitement. So when you are telling the plan, you should be confident. You should be filled with excitement. Your confidence and excitement will make him automatically start the business with you that day itself. So I am clear. I hope the third point is clear. Fourth and the most important point is you give the plan everything, but without closing, a sale never happens. So what is most important? When you're giving the plan, you should take an attempt to close the sale. That is most important. So take the sale, at least take an advance from him if he's not able, if you're not able to close the sale. So I hope fourth point is also clear. Any doubts we will clear in the end. Okay, so this is all about individual meeting. These 4 points you are supposed to keep in mind. Okay, now what all you should keep in mind when you're taking when you're meeting. In your home meeting, you invite your close persons, okay, your dear ones, your dear friends, your relatives. You invite them to your home meeting. Maximum in a home meeting you should call 10 to 15 based on your seating capacity. कुछ घर पे कुछ लोगों के घर बहुत छोटे होंगे, सो अपने घर पे बैठने लायक लोगों को बुला लीजिए. ठीक है, you call your person, call your friends, those who can sit inside your house. Okay, that is very much important. When you welcome people, you should edify your upline. Your upline should be there. So you should edify your upline. And what is edification? Edification is something which you should tell that this is the upline. He is a person from so and so background. He is a person who has undergone so and so. So edification is very much important about your upline. Okay. Now, who will show the plan? When you are inviting guests to your house, you should not show the plan. Your upline should be showing the plan. That's most important. Okay. Now, after the plan, what are you supposed to give? The contacts, the friends who have come to the house, you should give confidence to start the business. So these 4 points are very much important when you are taking a or when you're conducting a home meeting. अगर आप home meeting बुला रहे हैं, home meeting conduct कर रहे हैं, तो ये 4 points बहुत जरूरी है आपको जानना. Okay, so keep all these 4 points in your mind. Now, जो हॉल मीटिंग्स कंडक्ट करते समय ये पॉइंट्स आपको बहुत ये सुनना बहुत ये अंडरस्टैंड करना बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है, आपको अगर हॉल मीटिंग कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं एटलीस्ट 15 मिनट पहले 15 मिनट्स बिफोर यू शुड रीच द मीटिंग हॉल. ओके, एंड अगर आपके गेस्ट को लेके आ गया, इफ यू हैव गेस्ट विथ यू, देन you should take your guest and sit in the front row as possible. क्यों पहले फ्रंट रो पे क्यों बैठना है? Why should you sit in the front row? Because your guest should get maximum attention. Okay, attend minimum one BOP every week. You should attend at least one BOP every week. Most important point is, if you come alone, you can learn. If you come with guests, you can earn. I'm sorry for the spelling of the guests. Wrongly I have entered. So every BOP में you come with a guest, then you can earn. अगर आप गेस्ट के साथ आ गए हो, अगर गेस्ट इंटरेस्टेड हो गया वहां का माहौल देख के, वहां का प्लान सुन के, so your guest will automatically join. Now, most important points are your dress code. Never come with a casual dress code. Have a professional attire. When you, I didn't want to. Okay. From Toha Malayalam session, we will Toha bhai നമ്മൾ മലയാളത്തിലുള്ള സെഷൻ പിന്നെ എടുക്കാം. നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പം ഒരുപാട് ഔട്ട് ഓഫ് കേരളത്തിന് പുറത്തുള്ള ഒരുപാട് ഗസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാനത് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ എടുക്കുന്നത്. സോ മലയാളത്തിലുള്ള സെഷൻ നമുക്ക് വേറെ എടുക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, sorry, അപ്പം നമുക്ക് this session I have already told this is for people who have joined outside Kerala. Sorry, we will take another session in Malayalam some of the other time. Don't worry, we can conduct every week. We can conduct this session. So let me continue. When we are coming to this hall, your business, your attire, your dress code should be very much important. You don't have to wear a suit. At least wear a formal dress when you go for a hall meetings. Okay. Now, after the meeting, introduce your guests to the person or to your upline or to the senior leaders over there. Okay, that is very much important. You might be having diamond leaders in your meeting. You might be having double diamond leaders in your meeting. So introduce your guests to these leaders so that they get motivated. Okay, very much important is do meeting every week. Take your guests to these hall meetings every week. Clear? So I hope all meetings points are very much clear. Let us move on to the next slide. Follow up, which is very, very important. You give the plan, your guest is very much interested, but if you don't follow up, then sale will not happen. Your guest will tell, I will tell you tomorrow. So what you should do? You should talk to him tomorrow. You should try to meet him tomorrow. Ask him that how was the meeting yesterday? Hope you are starting today. So this is very much important. Within 24 to 48 hours, if you have given the plan, if you are not able to close it on the spot, the very next day or within 48 hours, you should follow it up. You should close it. Take your, if upline is not there, you should do a follow-up. Upline will be busy with this other team. So never wait for your upline to come with you. Do a follow-up, close him. This is very much important. Okay. Now, in closing, what is most important is you give a plan. Your first impression is what? When you're showing the plan, or your first impression with your guest or with your prospect is just 20%. When you're giving your presentation, it's just 30%. Most important is closing. 50% lies in this closing session, because in closing, what is happening? He's going to give you 20,000 from his pocket. Correct? Where is the money kept? It's where is the pocket? It's ahead of your heart. From his heart, he is giving you 20,000 rupees. So why should he give you 20,000 rupees? He should be he should be convinced. So in this closing session, it takes 50% of your effort. So it is most important session is this closing. Always remember, sale closing is the main part. You give beautiful presentation. You might be presenting it so beautifully. आप लोग बहुत अच्छे presentation दे रहे होंगे, बातें बहुत कर रहे होंगे, लेकिन closing में weak है, so sale नहीं होगा यहाँ पे. So closing is very much important. Okay. Now, ask for the amount. You might be hesitated to ask for the amount, but you should ask. This is most important point. Ask for the amount. Ask for 20,000 rupees. If you don't ask, he will not give you money. Do you think that after giving the plan, you tell everything, do you think that he will give you money for starting? No, he will not. You have to ask, sir, how would you like to start? With your card, with your debit card, with your check, or would you like to give hard cash? You should ask that. How would you like to start? This is very much important. Okay. Now, as I said, these are the points which I can only give in this webinar. All these points which I have given you is just, if you are listening to it, nothing is going to happen. You have to do it. Until unless you don't do it on ground, until unless there is no action coming on the ground, no success. Now, success will not happen. Do you think that if you are sitting inside, your success will come automatically towards you? No. All the points what I have discussed with you, you have to put it on ground. So I have very briefly explained, because there are lots and lots of things. We will be going part. This is just a starting. This is the first part that we have said. Slowly, we have more sessions coming. Our great leaders will also take this session. Why I have taken this session is because there are lots of people from outside Kerala have joined. So this is just a starting session. Today, unfortunately, our all leaders were on other sessions. So we will be winding up our sessions here. If you have any doubts, please ask me. You can put it in the chat box. I can answer to that one by one.